Video, we will do the discussion related to the Terraform state file or basically Terraform current state and the desired state. Here you are able to see that this is my Terraform code available in this file, and we have terraform.tf state file available. Terraform.tf state file carry the information about the target infra. The last time, the time when I apply the Terraform apply command, that particular time, this terraform.tf state was created. And this is the current state of my infra. And the file which ending with .tf, that particular file carry the desired state of my infra. If I do any modification over that particular file, in that particular scenario, my desired state will change if we compare it with my current state. Okay, let me do that. Here, this is my current state, and as per the current state, this infra is created. Here you are able to see that tf-vm instance. This is the instance name. If I do the modification over there related to the VM, if I change the VM name to test VM and then save that particular file and fire the command Terraform plan, what it will do, it will first of all it will check my desired state, and then it will check my current state which define over the tf state file. And after the comparison, Terraform know about that the desired state and the target state is different. So the Terraform try to maintain the desired state. In that particular scenario, Terraform plan uh, here Terraform plan is to try to destroy the VM because the previously created VM is not defined over the TF file. Here you are able to see that. Where is it? Terraform plan will destroy the VM and then going to create as a replacement. As per the state file, TFVM instance is mentioned, which here the TFVM instance is defined. And then as per the TF, as per the TF file, in this file, if we're talking about The subnet section. In the subnet section, we only create the subnet. We didn't define the logs related parameter over there. And here you are able to see that the log related information is going to replace it. If we are talking about the target state, over the target state, previously we manually modify the flow logs, but we didn't perform that particular action with the help of Terraform. That's why we try to update the state file, Terraform state file. In this state file, you are able to see the section log configuration. Here the information is updated. But if we're talking about the TF file, that particular TF file, that particular log related information we didn't update over there. That's the reason the time when I'm going to fire the TF plan command, it will try to perform the two different type of things. The one thing is that it's try to destroy the VM and recreate with the updated name, and it's try to do one modification. The modification is it's try to replace the log information to false so that the flow log will be off. Let me fire the Terraform apply command. It will add one VM, do one modification over the subnet configuration, and destroy the current running VM. Let me refresh the page. It's still in working. Now you are able to see that previously the flow log was on. Now the flow log is in off state. So the Terraform match the desired state from the TF file and compare it with the target infra and maintain the current state in the TF state file. If we will refresh it, the VM should destroy it. And the new VM has been created with the help of Terraform. One resource added, one changed, and one destroyed. So this is the example of Terraform desired state and the current state. We learn about that whatever is mentioned inside the TF file is my desired state. And whenever we are going to fire the Terraform apply command, the desired state should maintain, or we can say must maintain by the Terraform, and accordingly Terraform will update the Terraform state file, which will be my current state file or my current state. Thanks guys.